Hi there, happy Monday. Welcome to a new vlog. I'm getting the hang of this. This will be my fourth vlog. I notice they keep getting progressively a little longer, so that means I'm getting a little more confident, and I think the editing is getting a little bit better. Now it has started to lightly snow here in the Pacific Northwest. It was beautiful and sunny this morning, and then all of a sudden we just started getting this dusting of snow. So I'm gonna make a lemon fog tea latte. This is one of my favorite teas, Harney & Sons. I actually love these tins. I think that that's my favorite. So this is the Earl Grey Supreme, and looks like it's ready over there. I'm gonna steam my milk and I'll be right back. While I'm waiting for my tea to steep in my cup, I thought I would show you my little microgreens that I planted in the last vlog. They are coming along. They're getting taller, so I just keep watering them in this little dish. I did decide I'm gonna try to find a microgreen or a seed sprouter that doesn't use dirt. I know that there are some that you just put little dishes and then water drips kind of through, and then you can just grab them and use them as they sprout and not have to deal with the dirt. So I think I'm gonna look for one of those. Okay, so my London Fog Tea Latte, I was actually gonna drive through Starbucks and get one today, and I was thinking, no, I just need to go home. I have everything to make my own. So if you've never made one, I'll just quickly explain. It's Earl Grey tea, and you put in about this much boiling water and then let your tea bag steep in there and get really strong. I add a few pumps of sugar-free vanilla syrup, and then I frothed up some unsweet vanilla almond milk, and it's just so good. I love coffee this time of the afternoon too, but lately London Fog lattes have just sounded really, really good to me. So that's what I'm having. Hello, good morning. Happy Tuesday. Hope you're having a good start to your day. I am filming some content for Instagram, and I just finished up and I got a fun package in the mail. I ordered this from Amazon and I'm so excited, so I thought I'd open it with you and show you what I got. I ordered myself a seed binder. I can't see it very well because of the sun. It's so cute. It's a dark green, and it has like this gold embossing that says sage, dill, rosemary, and parsley on the front. And then, let me open it up with you. It's really good quality. It's padded. So it's basically a 3-ring binder. And then it comes with all of these inserts that you can slip your seed packets into. So this is my current seed package storage, and it's fine. It's not anything bad, but I just thought it would be a really fun way to kind of divide them up by vegetables and flowers, and then I'd be able to see exactly what I have. So I'm gonna put it together. So I thought I'd give you a little glimpse into my little seed binder. I put everything in there. Just such an easy way to see what I have. So for example, these 3 packets of sweet peas are the ones that I already planted, but I put the packets in here so I can remember which ones they are. And I just think these packages are adorable. And then I kind of did flowers up front. So I've got some flowers, and then I kind of move into microgreens and lettuces, and I have pumpkin and radishes, and beans and onions, and then I've got 2 things of peas. So see, this is how I don't pay attention to what I already have. So have some beans and peas and some broccoli. So those are my seeds. Gosh, I thought I had way more, but that's okay. I have lots of pages to add to this book, but if you're looking for a really good way to organize your seeds, I'm gonna link this for you because I think it's just so good. Well, I am back from running errands, and I was at the grocery store and I had to get more flowers. So this time I ended up with white lilies, and then these little things, these, I think I called them thistle. They're still going strong, so I'm gonna leave them in here. And then I also bought eucalyptus. This is one of my favorite fillers. So if you don't ever buy eucalyptus, because this whole bunch was $3.99, and it's just perfect to add in, and it makes this a little bit fuller and flowy. So I'll show you how it looks. I just love it. I just think it's so fun. These are some really tall ones, so I'll probably split these apart, but let me show you. So not sure if this is something that you know, but never have any of the foliage, like the leaves, in the water. That will help to keep your water from getting kind of contaminated and sludgy. So just make sure, you know, you peeled off everything. So like when I put this one in, I need to take this one off so that it doesn't go into the water, because that's really what just makes things get, you know, kind of go south pretty quickly. So that's just something to remember if you didn't know that little tip. I'm just cutting these down a little bit. They're pretty long. I like them all different lengths, but a few of these are very long. But see, I just love how full this looks and just really kind of organic and all over the place. Okay, so I think I'm gonna stop there, because once these lilies open up, this whole thing is just gonna get even bigger. So I think I'll just stop right here. But I really love the way that it looks. I got outside in the sunshine to do a little bit of gardening. I bought lily of the valley today at the grocery store. So I'm gonna plant them in these 2 little pots and give them a good start, and then I can just put them in the ground when it warms up. We had frost here this morning, so we are far from our last frost, but this is a good way to just get them started. Hello. It is Wednesday afternoon, and I just went for a much needed pedicure. It felt amazing. I got a London Fog tea latte to sip on while I was there. It was just so good. It's that time again. I get pedicures all year long, but definitely go farther in between, you know, in the winter. And I was just feeling like I needed a refresh. So I did that, and now I'm gonna head into Home Goods, kind of on the hunt, looking for some things for my garden. Not sure what they'll have here, but I just thought it'd be fun to kind of see what's new. Amazing facial. The hydropeptide facial here at the Cedarbrook Lodge was fantastic. My skin is just glowing. They have a special running through the whole month of March. So if you are local, definitely stop in and call and see if you can get on the schedule, because this is just some amazing products. And if you're local here in the Northwest, the hydropeptide is out of Issaquah. And so it's local female-owned company, which is really amazing as well. Goodness me, it is pouring, as you can see. I ran into the grocery store, and I went to one of our stores that has lots of bulk nuts and seeds and stuff, because I want to make some granola. So I wanted to get a bunch of different kind of nuts, and then they have local wildflower honey. So I wanted to get some of that, but I did that, but the line was so long. So I just had to stand there and wait in line, but I got everything I needed. So I think I'm gonna go home and make some homemade granola. I just made the most delicious batch of homemade granola. I went to the store today and bought lots of different seeds, and then I added coconut flakes and dried cherries. And oh my goodness, it looks amazing.